Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So last 2 or 3 days I didn't post any video. In fact, I think last 1 week we didn't post any video. That's because we had some issue with, we had YouTube partner program asked for some documentation which we submitted and everything is okay now. So today's video we will talk about a strategy, or let me say, what if I tell you we will talk about a strategy which has a 90% POP, right? What is POP? Probability of winning. Now this strategy is scalable. Of course it is scalable. What we have done, or we deployed the strategy just 2 or 3 days back. I think last Friday we deployed this strategy, and this strategy is scalable. Now what we did is we just did 5 lots of this strategy, but you can do maybe 50 lots or 100 lots or whatever you want. So it is really up to you how many lots you want to take about this strategy, take on this strategy. So this strategy is a very unique. It is not a unique strategy. This is not rocket science. Anyone can do this strategy, but the key is adjustment. So before going into the strategy itself, let me talk about 2 things, which is that Gujarat elections. You know that all Times India, then India Today, then APP all came out with a good exit poll. Good exit poll in the sense they came in favor of BJP. So all 3 of them told BJP might win more than 140 seats in Gujarat. So in case if BJP is going to win in Gujarat, so 27 years of BJP rule in Gujarat. So if they win this time, it is going to be the 7th time, right? This is going to be the 7th time. Now why am I saying this? Before taking the strategy, we had 2 events. One is Gujarat, and second one is Gujarat election. I think on 8th of December, Election Commission will announce the result. It is obvious BJP is going to win. Second thing is RBI interest rate. I'm not sure if this screen is doing justice to you, because I have done some graph, but it is not showing. Now you can see that RBI has been increasing the interest rate for the last 6 or 8 months. Now currently our interest rate is around 5.9%, and they have a target of around 6.35%. 6.35% for the year 2023, right? So first thing, Gujarat is there. If at all, see, if BJP is going to win, that is factored into. BJP winning in Gujarat is factored into, right? It is priced already. If it does not win, or if it is neck to neck, then there is going to be a problem. The second thing is RBI interest rate. RBI is going to come out tomorrow morning 10 a.m, right? So what they are going to do, obviously they are going to increase the interest rate by 0.5 basis point BPS, right? So keeping all this in mind, we have to deploy a strategy. The strategy is very simple. This is not a rocket science. I will explain very, very clearly, right? So keeping all this in mind, Gujarat election, then RBI repo rate, and we are going for the 8th December expiry. That is, today is 6th, 7th and 8th, day after tomorrow expiry. Now what we did, we deployed a strategy which is a combination of ratio spread, or you can say it a ladder strategy also. So what we did is we sold 41,000 41,000 PE. Okay, this is around 5 lots. We have not sold. This is buy. Okay, this is buy. Then we sold 42,600 put option. 600 put option. Okay, which is also 5 lot. Okay, this is, we have sold this one. In fact, this strategy I posted on Twitter and Telegram group. And we also sold around 43,100 put option. Okay, this is around 1 lot. This is buy. So buy, sell, buy. When we did this strategy is around when the market, when banknifty was around 43,350 levels. Last Thursday or after Friday, we did this strategy. This is the PE side. See, as you can see, this is the PE side. Then what we did is, we went to call side, we sold 43,800 call option we didn't sell this one, this one call option, we one lot we bought this one, then we further went to around 44,300 call option, this is 5 lots, we sold this one, then we further went down to around 45,500 call option and we bought 5 lots. So buy sell buy sell buy. So this is not a very advanced strategy, or this is not very much a rocket science, this is simple strategy, but the key here is how you are going to do the adjustment, that is the problem here. Now what happened is, I'll show you in the chart. So this is the bank nifty chart. I am sure, I don't think this is doing any justification, this area when bank nifty, you know that when you know that around 43,000 is having a good support in bank nifty. 43,000 is having a good support in bank nifty, right? Even if you go now and see the open interest, you will see lots of put writing at 43,000, which means people are very confident and people think markets will not go below 43,000. That is what today we are sitting at 43,100 level somewhere. Okay, now what happened is, I think on Monday, not Monday, on Friday, Thursday we deployed this strategy. Friday when the market came from around 43,350 levels, it came to around 43,000. In fact, it went below, it went to 42,950 levels, right? On Friday, I think it went to 42,950 levels, then it retraced. From 43,000 it came and then it reversed and it settled somewhere around 43,200. When this happened, what we did, we squared off all this position, all these 3 positions, then we sold 41,500 put option, then 42,300 put option, then 42,800 put option. Okay, this is 1 lot, this is 5 lot, this is also 5 lot. So this is a buy strategy, this is a sell, and this is also buy, this is a hedge. This both 42,800 and 41,500 is a hedge, this is the main sell strategy. Likewise here also 42,600 put and is a sell, 43,100 put and 41,000 put is also a hedge. Okay, so this is how the strategy will look like. Once the market came, we booked loss in this one. This strategy we booked loss, this 3 legs we booked loss. Then we did the same, we just moved behind and we made around we made this strategy, we sold extra legs. These 3 legs are squared off with a loss of I think around 400 rupees, 5 lots. Then we have done. As of now, this strategy is in a profit of around how much? It is in a profit of around 3,000 rupees. Now total cost to deploy this strategy is around 3 lakh rupees. You can, this what we have done is 1:5:5. You can go for maybe 2:10:10, or you can go for 3:20:20. So this is scalable. No matter how much money, if you are having lots of money, you can keep on scaling up. So this is how we did this strategy, and as and when the market moves here and there, as and when the market moves out of our favor, we can deploy this strategy. In case the market comes to, let's say market comes below 43,300 also, we can do something or other, and we can book profit in the call side and sell one more call option, call side legs, or if the strategy is going on the higher side, we can do the opposite also. Okay, now that I have explained how the strategy, what legs we have done, I'll also explain how the strategy will look like. Now let's say for example, this is this thing. Okay, now this strategy will look like something like this, Okay, so this is going to have a very wide break even. This break even will be around 2.6% at the time of deploying. When we deployed, when the market was around 43,300 levels, and this break even is 2.6%. So it has to come 2.6%, fall 2.6%. Then we will have to, let's say if the market, hypothetically speaking, if the market falls drastically also, we don't have any issue, we can make adjustment. Let's say market is coming to around, it is going below 43,000, which is a good support, as I told you. Even if it comes below 43,000, we can make adjustment. That is, we did adjustment is we booked loss in around PE side, and we have returned another PE. If the same happens on the opposite side, you can book loss in the PE. Loss is not going to be very high, it is going to be significantly low, because you are having hedges both in front of you and behind you also. You can book loss or minor loss, and you can sell one more call option, further extending the range both in put side and call side also, right? So this is how the strategy is looking like. Maybe tomorrow we will square off the strategy with around 1% or 1.2%. The thing here is, you will ask 1.2%, what is a big deal, right? People are making 5% or 8%, that is all okay. But the consistency, this 1.2% is consistent. You can keep on making the strategy, you can keep on doing the strategy. It is having a very, very wide break even, so that in case, that's what I am saying, 90% of the time this strategy will win. Balance 10% of the time we can do some adjustment and exit this trade with a minor loss, or even with a good profit, right? So this is how we have made the strategy. Let us see how things pan out tomorrow. Hopefully, I don't think US markets are all in the green. I think it is flat, and our markets are waiting for this repo rate. Hopefully we'll end in green only, and I hope this 43,000 will sustain in banknifty, and 18,000 will sustain, 18,600 will sustain in nifty. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.